beard's a fucking nice. Right, we're doing a tour of the workshop. Let's start with Bertha. Big Bertha. Then we'll head there. Oh no. This is probably the stuff that we're all going to need to fix cars, bikes, anything. What a mess. So we've got some halfords. Pound through. There's a full set in there. Haven't even used them. Big old breaker. Use that a lot. A selection of brushes. Always handy to have. These US Pro Tools, dead blow hammers, handy if you're doing bearings, top mounts. So you've got, if it'll focus, you've got £1, £2, and a £3. It's been used a few times. We've got a quarter Dremel, which doesn't get used that often. You'll see why in a little while. A little wood mallet and normal hammer. Fucking focus. Now, everyone, if you're doing cars, you definitely need to get yourself picks and hooks set. Now, there is actually a little scraper on there, gasket scraper. And panel removal, comes with radio keys, see all your little pry bars. And these are really good. I think this whole kit was what, about £15 on eBay, so it's not going to break the bank. Tap and die set. Right there. Doesn't get used much, but it's always handy to have. It's just a selection of drill bits, nothing exciting. Just all your usual shit. But then again, always handy. So I've got Lexies. This is all, I'm never going to break the bank, and certain things I'll spend a stupid amount on. These are just from Lidl. Otherwise, power fix, but they all, and they hold there, they're not, so it's some mega cheap ones. But they work well, they do the job. Then some Halfords advanced ones. I only get these because they're all lifetime warranty, and they don't cost nowhere near as much as Snap-on. Then we've got brake spanners, well not brake, hose spanner pipe things, you know what I mean. And then fixed ratchets. That was just another, I don't even know if it's got the make on it. No, but they're just a cheapy kit, but they've lasted me, fucking hell, 4 or 5 years. Oh, and rings. Definitely want them. Got another set of Halfords. They're all lifetime guarantee. Use them a lot. All your deep reach sockets. So you got your 3/8, your quarters, and your halves. One thing you will need, this is just a Halfords, I can't remember what piece kit it is, 370 piece kit. And I'll just split the box down, put it into 2 drawers. Makes life easy. You've got everything you need. Quarter, 3/8 and a half. And every sort of Allen keys, posi drives, flat bits, hex. And you've also got your male hex and a small fitting kit, which then goes into that, onto that, and onto that. Lovely little kit. This one's quite empty, but got the Sealey CP1200 cordless Dremel. I'll grab a battery. I can't have a preview of that bit yet. One-handed operation. Get in the hole. There you go. So that's got your setting speed on there as well, which is quite handy. Just flick across like that, and that did just fly off. Do real well. And also there's the charger for the Sealey, a CP1200 or 1205 cordless polisher. I don't think I've ever used it, but it come in the kit. This focus is a cunt. Yeah, they all run off the same battery. It comes with various polishing bits, handle, there's some bits for a Dremel, but like I said, in the bottom drawer, that's just got Dremel bits. These are very handy. These are just another cheap little buy. I think that was about 12 quid for the set of two. Just open up, let them go. So if you've got a bolt, if I've got a bolt somewhere, no bolt anywhere, I'll show you on this. So that will clip on there. Somehow, once it's on there, push it down and that will nip it tight. Just like a very handy grippy wrench. Two of them. Never actually found out what they're for. I've used them on hose clips, cutters, snips, just various pliers, long nose grips. Use them a lot for welding. Them tin snips, handy for cutting up sheet metal, weld plates. Most expensive drawer. Snap on, snap on, snap on. This gets used a lot. It's always left with the 13mm. A lot of the time. I don't know what one it is, but it works. It does the trick. Also these very handy kits. Once again, cheapy needles. So that's a ratchet in. You never have enough bits. And then this one's a little and that comes off and you've got a little quarter drive on there. If I can get it back on one-handed. Lovely. Yep, and then we've got the full kit up to, yeah. And then there's another load of them there. They get used a lot. A whole load of spare sockets, ratchets, just various found bits drawer. You're going to need these. You can't get a socket into your where you want to go. Like if you're trying to get in with one of these and you can't get it in, there's a lot of places ain't got enough area. You're going to want some nice deep breech. Once again, I don't think they're very expensive, but it's a good kit to have. And then we've got stars as well, and also hollowed out. So if you've got the little pin inside the hex, just a few saws, hacksaw, junior hacksaw, and this evil. I do the odd bit of woodwork as well, so this is why I have a lot of woodwork shit. Big old wrenches. You will find a time where you'll need a set like this for one job or another, and that's a big motherfucker. Then, this is a very, very handy kit. A spark plug from Halfords. Halfords Advanced, so it's all lifetime guarantee again. Anything breaks, just take it back and they'll replace it. You've got a 3/8 flexi head and a slightly bent handle, just for ease of access. Just a 3/8. And it also comes in this little kit, which is handy. Wire brush, proper one for spark plugs, so it's not as brutal as the other ones. Feeler gauges, never used. You've got a wobble head 3/8, and then your pencil drive. 21mm. Oh, why they call it a 14 is beyond me. But spark plug, and a smaller spark plug with the little rubbers inside. You can't see it, but yeah. And then a random crap. Coil over spanners, because you never know. Various shit. Again, various shit, but you'll find times it'll come in handy. Just a little torch, grips, rag, tape. Nothing exciting. No. That's just full of fucking random tools. Loads of random shit. Same as that. Big box. Drawer of my chargers. Hot glue gun. Chargers. And just so I know what all stays, it's handy because there's always going to need this in a car. So you take the whole lot with you. Just electrical connectors, heat shrink, multimeter, very good multimeter actually, very good. That is a, I'm not going to try and say it. Focus. A Linny D. Very good. There's a pair of Silverline wire strippers. Life a lot easier rather than pissing about with a pair of cutters. Duct tape. Sealant, water spray bottle, wheel seal, Redex, tyre seal. I've got fucking tons of them. Matte black paint, done well on that. Odd bits. Take this box down. Yep, garage is a mess. Big mess. various woodwork and stuff. And same again underneath, it's just full of shit. I'm not going to go through that. Right, now, made this little setup for my drills. Impact, blah blah blah. Got another box there on the work unit. So we've got quarter drive, just your hex. Makita 18 volt. That gets used a lot. This is one of the most used ones I've got. Makita half impact driver. I had it several years. I don't think you can. Yeah, I can't see the RPM on it. It's all worn away. Now this is the cheapest drill I've ever bought, but it's the best drill I've ever bought. And it's just a Parkside 20 volt. That's probably why it's one of the best then. It's got your little, tells how much charge it's got, 2-speed. I think it's got a hammer on it as well, possibly. Don't know. It's very, very good. Very powerful. I was surprised for whatever it was, 30-40 quid. Very surprised. And then I bought the whole kit in the end because it just worked out cheaper. We've got the Sealey 12 volt hammer drill driver. They're all the CP 1200 models. It's also got your little battery meter on the side, pocket clip, 2-speed. Very good. I will be doing a review on the whole lot of these eventually. Same again. Just a little quarter drive impact. And they're nice because they're a good size and they last ages. And they're 3/8 impact as well. And the most used tool in the world, impact ratchet. Very, 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 very. And also again, they've all got thumbs on it. Little battery meter. I'll tell you, there's a 3/8 ratchet wrench, and also it does work as a normal ratchet. If I've got a bit somewhere. If I take one of these, stick it on there, it works as a normal ratchet as well. Let's focus. So you can still ratchet and tighten if the battery decides to die, which it doesn't because it's, so it's brilliant for stripping down engines. What other controls you got too? Brilliant light on it as well, very bright. That lives in there. I would be filming on this, but it died. WD, WD. Necessary. Wire brushes hidden at the back. More tape. Gloves. Sand block. A box of shit. Drugs. Box of little drill bits, metal bits, wood bits, and then your punches. A selection of small screwdrivers, or just various drill bits, step drill bits, Everyone needs drill bits. Kniffies and scissors. Oh, Sharpies. Everyone needs Sharpies. Just some scrapers, syringe, tire levers, toothbrush. A bit of a random mix. Just a little quarter drive set. Oh yeah, necessary bits, 8, 9s, 10s, 11s, 12s, 13s. Same again with just a little set of spanners. That belongs in there. Then more screwdrivers. More pliers, cutters. And then just some little pin hammers, normal hammers. More tin snips, welding hammer. Meter stick. Yeah, folds out. Exciting. Very useful. A square. Lots of beer. And then we've got the Sip Weld Mate, MIG welder, brilliant welder. Compressor, jacks, trolley jacks, stands, airline, big workbench with drawer, man tin, blades, staple gun, them fuckers, rivet guns, zip ties, lots of zip ties. Then we've got a Ryobi angle drill, which gets used never. Grinder. I've got the Sealey one as well. The Sealey one's a lot better. That's a bit too big. I'll get the Sealey one just to show you in a minute. Cordless jigsaw and recip saw as well that never gets used once again. Pots, gloves, goggles. Gets used all the time. Just snap on. I can't remember the model of it, but a 350 lumen light. Very handy. Obviously my sockets there. And other bits. Little vise. This is off a pillar drill, but it's very handy if you've got a drill, bolts and shit. And then under there is just a selection of shit. Oh, fiberglass and stuff. Hot air gun and a multi-tool, cordless one. Doesn't get used a lot. Magnetic trays and long reach magnet stick thing. Safety equipment. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'll be doing a review on the whole set of the Sealey CP1200s. Was there 6? Yeah, because you're going to be well annoyed at how cheap I got them. So yeah, this is sort of everything ideally you need to fix the world. So I'll also be doing a review on this e-bike that I made myself, which uses an 18-volt Makita battery and a 36-volt. Yeah, that. It's got some charge. Just a throttle. It is quick as fuck. Well, quick. So that's all from a toolbox garage tour. If you want to know anything else about anything else, drop me a comment and I'll get back to you. More videos. Do it well.